I am a losing trader. Yes, it's true. Uh, it's taking a lot of courage to admit this, especially online. It's something I've decided I need to confront. Hi, guys. My name's David, and this is my trading channel. So, yes, I've been losing for 5 years trading experience. I've been losing for basically even over that period of time. It's kind of annoying, and I decided to do something about it. So, if you're anything like me, then like me, you spend hours and hours and hours on YouTube or on other websites with various strategies, trying out new indicators, whatever. I've tried a martingale system, some success. Mostly it didn't work out, as you can imagine. I've tried various strategies. There was a great one that I tried where you would target a 2 tick profit and you'd have a 100 tick stop loss. I actually had a 92% chance of winning, no matter what. Just had to get the direction right. I still managed to lose and blow my account on that. Yes. I have been looking out for the coolest new indicator. I've tried so many indicators on different settings: RSI, MACD, stochastic, the EMAs, tried the awesome oscillator, fractals, whatever, and various other things from various guys who paid. Yeah, I can't get them to work. I've tried naked trading. It seemed cool. It seemed chic. I was doing it. It's great. And life is better without pants. It is. And I have pants on. Sorry. Yeah, I had to have a joke in there somewhere. So I'm going to do something about this. I am going to fix my forex trading. I'm going to get myself a trading coach, someone to fix my trading problems. However, I know exactly how this is all going to start, and they're expensive. So I figure I'll save my money and start focusing on these things that they're going to tell me to fix. And once I've been doing them for a while, then I'll get the coach. Make sense? Yeah? All right. So the first thing that I am doing now is I am using a forex simulator or back trading a lot. I'm doing every day for an hour. Now, they say that it takes 10,000 hours of practice to become a master at something. Now, a normal person will trade, 1 or 2 trades a day, 5 days a week. That's 2.5 to 5 hours worth of trading a week. It's going to take a long time to get any good at it. However, using a forex simulator, you can compress that amount of time, months and months of trading, into a few hours, right? Seems like a no-brainer. That just gets you a ridiculous amount of practice really fast. Practice years of trading over a weekend when the markets aren't even open. So there's a huge advantage to back trading. It doesn't cost you anything. You can pretty much treat it like a computer game, which is kind of what I'm doing, trying to keep myself entertained. It's not the most thrilling computer game. But hey, it's a skill I'm practicing with huge rewards if I'm successful at using it. Now, when I'm back trading, I'm keeping it simple. I am just trading the strategies that I want to practice and use all the time. These are the strategies that are going to help me progress and help me get better. These are the ones that I want to be able to use. I want to be able to practice support and resistance. I want to practice getting in at the right entry at the right time. I want to be able to use the indicators to create a good entry or avoid the bad entries, even though the indicator says it's a good entry. I want to reduce my number of losing trades and increase my profit ones. I want to increase my risk reward from 1 to 1 to 2 to 1. And back trading, simulating, allows me to practice all of that in one go. I can practice new strategies. I can test indicators. So there's a huge advantage to doing this. To do it, I'm aware of 3 programs that do it. There's Forex Tester, there's Forex Simulator, and there's TradingView. I'm currently using TradingView in the background. I believe there's a few other programs provided by the broker to allow you to trade in MT4 backtesting. But yep, I'm finding TradingView the easiest to do. I'm a pro member, so I've got that free subscription through a broker. So yeah, I am using that and finding it great so far. Now, again, the reason I'm doing this is because it allows me to trade a lot in very little time and get really good really fast. That's the plan. Well, that's the aim anyway. We'll find out whether that works. Now, if you're finding this information useful, please like and subscribe. It helps me out a lot and helps me progress this channel. It basically encourages me. I'm just starting this channel. So please like and subscribe. The second thing I'm doing is I'm using a trading log or a forex journal or whatever you want to call it. Basically, I'm going to be recording a whole bunch of information and using that to become a better trader. It's part of my personal reflection and study. There's lots of ways to do this. There's lots of various forms or ways you can do it. I'm currently using an Excel document to record my trades. It's a great way to look back and basically critique what I'm currently doing so that I can eliminate some of my losses. It helps me highlight various things I'm doing wrong and get on top of them so that they stop happening. Basically, I don't want to be doing the same mistake again and again and again. I know as a habit, I tend to try and catch the falling knife. I don't wait for the trade to show the currency to reverse properly or do the proper breakout. I try and catch it at the peak and get the maximum risk reward, and I always screw it up. Still catching the falling knife. I'm getting really good at it, but yeah, I've still got a low percentage rate of it. There's various other ways to look at trading journals. There's lots of stuff online. I'm doing my own. The other thing I'm doing is, because I'm acknowledging I'm a really happy trader at the moment, is the manual trades I'm taking. I'm only risking 0.01 lots. Now, I have a rather large account. That isn't even close to 1% risk. That's a lot less. It's probably, yeah. So I'm risking basically as smallest amount as I can until my trading gets better. I find that I can't use a demo personally, because if I use a demo, I just don't take it seriously. So I need to trade real money. But a couple of dollars is fine. I trade seriously when it's a couple of dollars. So that's what I'm doing. The third thing is I'm getting on top of my risk management. Now, for comparisons, if you risk 10% of your capital and lose, you need to get 11% back. 20% is 25%. If you lose 30%, you need to get 42.85%, right? So I'm trying to get on top of my risk management. Now, lots of sources say you should only risk 1% of your account and aim to get 2% or whatever. Risking no more than 1% of your account. As you can tell, it would take you a lot of time to get anywhere and earn a lot of profit. But hey, if you're good, if you're earning profit, then you'll eventually have a big enough account that 1% will be meaningful. There's lots of information out there. I want you to know people who don't use risk management are in fact gambling. They say gambling's addictive. I'm not doing well there. Yeah, there's loads of information online on appropriate risk management, on educating yourself with appropriate risk management, using appropriate stop losses, only risking what you can afford to lose, limiting your leverage, all that sort of stuff, so that you can be a long-term profitable trader. Basically, I want to be controlling my losses. I don't want to be in trades that are a few $1,000s down and not be able to sleep at night. I don't want to double up on trades, such as this one, Euro USD and USD franc trades. If I do like trades on correlated currencies, well, I might take both of them, but at 0.5% risk for each, meaning that I'm only risking 1% for the entire bundle. Yeah? As an example, the one that's provided here, Euro USD and USD franc, they're very highly correlated pairs anyway. But if USD moves, then they're both going to move. If I'm in both, well, I only want to be... I think that's pretty self-explanatory. Look up forex correlation if you do not understand. So that is the three things I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be back trading a lot to get good at it. Yeah, an hour every day, lots of practice. I'm also going to be having a trading log so I can record and review my results so that I'm getting better. Only risking 0.01 lots per trade. And then after all that, I'm going to be doing appropriate risk management so that I can risk an appropriate amount. I don't want to be losing all the time. I don't want to be losing large amounts and winning small amounts. I want to be winning big amounts and losing small amounts. So this is what I'm aiming for. After I feel that I've been doing this for a while and I've shown I've got decent improvement, then I'm going to take the next step and do a trading coach. So if you found this video useful, please like and subscribe. It helps me out a lot.